What is going on YouTube? Hidden Back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at Shiba Inu, Floki, Doge in our afternoon episode where we talk about meme coins and how to profit off of them. So it's going to be a fun episode. Keep it light, keep it loose, keep it fresh. Specifically, what we're going to be looking at here is the recent breakouts that we have just seen within Doge and some of the other meme coins here. We've obviously taken profits and have been stopped out at a lot of these trades here. I currently have a trade open on Ethereum here, which I'll show you guys in a later episode. We're up about 43% on this trade. I know it's only $100, but I'm just trying to show you guys examples of how easy it is to scale these trades. We shorted this. We shorted Ethereum with the anticipation of continued correction here. You can see the drop. That's not what I wanted to do. You can see we're anticipating a drop like this within the descending broadening wedge here, and we're up about 47% on this trade, which is nuts. So soon we're going to have to lock in more profits. We've already guaranteed a 20% return on our investment by moving that stop loss lower and guaranteeing locking in those prices, which is super cool. We'll show you guys more of that in a minute. But you can see we had this beautiful descending fractal here, and we had that confirmation correction above the hourly charts where we bought in for a long position. You can see that confirmed closure right here, and we bought in, and since then we've just moved higher up, which is very exciting here. But beyond that, we also need to look at Floki and then Shiba Inu. Floki is seeing a breakout very similar to Doge here, and you can see we're now starting to consolidate, maybe even some sort of downtrend forming, a descending triangle, I don't know. And then we have a much bigger play on Shiba Inu that we're going to have to go over. This is a huge bull flag that's very easy to trade when it does break, but it's taking a very long time to consolidate. But when it does, hopefully we can get in on some of that profit, as we did miss out on the last 300% rally, which was super easy to get in on. It was so freaking obvious. Like, they couldn't have made this any more of a beautiful symmetrical triangle breakout here, but either way, we have a bull flag forming here, and these typically have a bullish bias, so I'll show you guys more about that in a minute. But before we dive in any further, BidFi, remember, we're still doing our Amazon gift card giveaway, completely free. All you got to do is comment your favorite crypto down in the comment section below to be able to win all this stuff here. Drawing is going to be either Sunday or Monday, so stay tuned for that. And it's just a bunch of free merch and free money, so make sure to check that out. And then I've also spoken with BidFi, and they're doing a $200 Shiba giveaway completely free with a link down in the description below, and you can also get $200 in a future bonus here. So I made it happen. $200 of free SHIB in an airdrop to 4 lucky winners. Doesn't cost you a penny. Just make sure you sign up with the link down in the description below. It's that easy to get well over $200 in free crypto, so make sure to check that out. Anywho, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's jump right into today's video. So guys, currently we're going to start off on Dogecoin here, and we'll go back and forth between Doge and Floki, as these were some very interesting patterns that were forming here. You can see if I jump to the daily, we can find out where we had that price ceiling, that resistance. We broke out of a beautiful symmetrical triangle here, filling in the gap, higher lows, lower highs, filled it in, and once we confirmed a closure above that, it was an easy buy-in opportunity, and we've just moon blasted to the upside ever since. Then we formed an ascending fractal here, clear as day, and we found a price ceiling. We actually found a like a floor and a support here, but ideally this price ceiling was a huge resistance, and we knew that if we could confirm closure above it, we could buy in and long, but we weren't able to do that. And then if I scale it a bit further in to the 4-hour, you can see we actually had kind of a support here, which we drew. But ideally, we were looking for which direction we would break to. And you can see we didn't confirm that closure up top, so there wasn't an opportunity to capitalize off of that. And then since we've now started this lower high pattern here, I didn't want to buy in when we confirmed closure above here because it was a bit confusing for this short. But we then noticed that there was a descending fractal here, and that's where we were able to buy in. Once we confirmed above that, there was a big candle wick up. But if we jump to like the hourly, you can see it gave us an opportunity right here to buy in on, and we have not been able to do that at all. And then once we were able to get in on that, we've then slowly moved up. So now we're consolidating. We're actually starting to drop a lot of the major cryptos. If you watch this morning's episode, like Bitcoin is dropping, Ethereum's dropping, XRP is dropping, Solana is dropping, S&P 500 is dropping, lots of crypto is dropping. And as the weekend comes closer, we're probably not going to be seeing much movement besides correcting lower. So I bought out, like I got stopped out of this here, and I'm going to wait patiently to see how the weekend forms, and then we'll go from there. And, you know, I recommend you guys do that too. I mean, we did update you guys the other day talking about that breakout that happened on Doge, you can see once we confirmed right there, we started to shoot up, and that was an easy buying opportunity. But since then, we're now going to consolidate. So let this market play out just a little bit for us to find some sort of new technical patterns or indicators, and then we can, move forward from there. Kind of what we're going to do on Floki here. Same exact pattern happened here as what Doge is doing on Floki. Lower high, lower low movement. Once we started to see the consolidation, we knew on the hourly we could buy in with confirmation above the downtrend that we haven't been able to break through. So you can see once we confirm closure right there, that was that buying opportunity. And now it's almost like we're forming some sort of descending fractal here. Like there's definitely some sort of downtrend and then maybe even some sort of support. Very early onto this here, so not enough time to be making any sort of rational decisions, but just something we're going to leave on for the time being. Wait patiently here. A lot of the other cryptos, like I was saying this morning, were easier to short, and maybe that opportunity will appear in Floki or Doge, and when it does, we'll obviously take advantage of it on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use. And as you guys can see here, we're currently up 63% on our trade, up $143. So we're going to move our stop loss a little bit lower. We're currently in at 33.70, which is right around here. And we're going to move it a bit down to maybe 33.50 here, and we're going to lock in even more profit. 33.50 locks in about 32% instead of 20. We're now up 32%. So if we do move back up, we'll be in it for 30% gains. Otherwise, we're going to leave a little bit of clearance that if we do recede back up, we won't be able to get stopped out, and hopefully we can continue to drop here. But this is an easy trade. I always wanted to show you guys some of these trades here, and I figured why not show you how it's done, instead of just talking about it all. That is why I have a Patreon to show you all these trades, but I figured every now and then I'll show you a live trade just to get you just to visually see how easy it is here. But we're up $122, 52%, and we're guaranteed to make at least $75 on our trade so easily here, which is super cool. So keep that in the back of your head as we are up 50%. And if we continue to slide lower, we'll just continue to keep moving our stop loss down, because I think this is going to continue to slide lower and lower and lower. But anywho, why I bring up BidFi is because you can trade not only Ethereum, but you can trade Doge. You can see right here. You can trade Floki. They have right here. And then they even have Shiba right here. So you can trade all the cryptocurrencies that we talk about on the channel on BidFi, which is super cool. It's completely free. You can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. They have trailing stops, literally everything that you would want here. I don't know enough about trailing stops. Stop orders activated when the latest price retraces here. So I'd rather just move it myself, be a little more active in the trade here, but I understand some people have work and it's harder to do. But anywho, they even have a welcome rewards bonus and a demo trading account here. So you can capitalize on not only the $200 in SHIB, the $200 sign-up bonus, but over $2,000 in free rewards by completing the tasks down here. New user, advanced, and exclusive, and you can get free cryptocurrency. And it's literally that easy. The best part about BidFi is they offer a demo trading account. So you can practice your trades for free using this demo trading account. And then when you're ready, you can switch on over to the live account. But either way, you get 50 grand in Monopoly money, test your skills, test your trades, test my trades, get familiar, get comfortable. And then when you're ready, switch on over by clicking live trade right here. I'll make an in-depth video on BidFi later on, but for the time being, I figured hopefully that would help you guys. Anywho, that's Doge and Floki. Looking at Shiba to wrap up today's video. Shiba is continuing to correct. Maybe there's some sort of inner trade here. I don't see it just yet. There's a floor. Maybe there's a downtrend. I don't even see that. Either way, we're in a much bigger pattern here, and this is the main focus. It's going to take a while. I know it sucks, but it's going to take a while. We are developing a floor, which is nice, so at some point we will fill this in. But simply said and simply stated, we close above here on the 4-hour, anywhere above this yellow downtrend, and it is game on with the anticipation of a pump higher. Now, if we break through the floor here, there's a chance we could dip lower. There is a good chance. Now, I don't know how low it'll fall, or if we'll just rebound off here, or if we'll just continue like this. But regardless, the big focus is breaks above here, because this is a pull flag, and it's a very easy and simple opportunity in the long term, the grand scheme of things. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.